So anytime we're getting critical values, right, these have to do with bounding a particular amount of area in a tail. So if you have a 98% confidence level and C is 0.98, alpha is 1 minus 0.98 or 0.02. So alpha is the total amount of area in the tails. Then alpha over 2 is 0.01, which is the amount of area in each of the tails. So just notationally, this subscript is referring to how much area is in the right tail. So this value is the value that has 0.01 of the area in the right tail. And this one has 0.01 of the area in the left tail, or 0.99 of the area in the right tail. Okay, so just notationally make sure you know the difference between those. And the easiest way to get those, you can get them from tables most of the time, but the easiest way is to go to StatCrunch. So we go Stat, Calculators, and chi-squared. Alright, and we can see the reason this one is different is because since standard deviations and variances are always positive, this is a skewed distribution that's entirely in the first quadrant. But finding areas works pretty much the same way. So if the sample size is 15, then we're talking 14 degrees of freedom. And if I go, right, just notationally, right-tailed area, and if I put 0.01, right, so alpha has to do with the area and the tails. If I put 0.01 of the area in the right tail, then 29.14 is chi-squared sub alpha over 2. If I put 0.01 of the area in the left tail, that's the same as 0.99 in the right tail, right? And chi-squared sub 1 minus alpha over 2 is 4.66. Does that make sense? And just to, you can verify that, you can say, hey, put 0.01 of the area in the left tail. Same value, right? And then, to make things particularly easy on yourself, we need to understand what the notation means and how you get those. But to make things particularly easy on yourself, if you're doing a 98% confidence level, that means you're bounding 0.99 of the area, or 0.98 of the area in the middle. And that's what the between one does. It says put so much area in the middle, and that's bounded between 4.6604, such that 0.01 of the area is here, and 29.1412, such that 1% of the area is here. Hope that makes some more sense for you.